So here I have the TV stand from Sweetcrispy. In this video, I'm going to go over the top questions I was seeing. They are, what is the assembly process like for this TV stand? The second question was, do you need any tools of your own when assembling this? And the third thing I'm going to cover is there are some pieces that are customizable about this. I'm going to show you what that is and what that would look like for you so you know what to expect when you receive it. But let's start with the first question, which is what is the assembly process like? So I was able to get this done in under an hour. It was super easy to do. I'm not much of a handyman, so furniture sometimes makes me a little nervous, but there really was only like 7 steps to this. I got a video going in the corner where you can kind of see the process. It was super easy, so expect to get it done in under an hour. And that was by myself. If you have another person helping you, I bet you can get it done a lot quicker. Now for the second question, which is, do you need any tools when you're doing this? So they supply you with all the tools. And all those tools are, they give you a screwdriver and an Allen wrench. There's really not much to it in terms of tools, and they give those to you so you don't need any tools of your own. And now on to the third question, which is, what is customizable about this? So there's a couple things. First, these doors you can assemble. You can actually use it without the doors on there. So there's storage in here. There's a hole that all the power cords can come through. But if you like it without the doors and have this all open, you can easily do that and not even install the doors. The second thing is this has 3 different spots. So if you want it up higher, you can do it higher. If you want it lower, you can do it lower. Right now I have it right in the middle. You can make that call on your own. And also too, if you didn't want to use the legs on this, it actually is flat down here if you would not assemble the legs and put them on there. So if you want this just flat on the ground, or maybe you're gonna have it like hanging from your wall or something like that, you actually could do that if you wanted and just not even put the legs on. But overall, this is super easy to put together. I just needed another TV stand for a separate room that I had, so I wanted something that was affordable, easy to put together. This crossed those 2 boxes off for me, so I'm a happy customer. Gets 2 thumbs up.